So now let's see how we can go ahead and apply out the spear and zigzag effect inside of Corel Draw. So for that, first of all, I need to go around and import an image. So I'm going to go around over here onto File, and then I'm going to go around onto Import right here, let's say for example, and then I'm simply going to go around and import out an image. So let me just go around over here and import out, let's say for example, this image right here. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and apply effects to this. So to do that, you need to go around onto the effects menu right here, just like this, and then you can go around over here onto 3D effects right here, and then what you can do is you can go around and select spear, let's say for example. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that the spear effect has been added onto the image, and you can go around and change around the percentage of the spear, as you can see right here, just like this, and you see a similar effect accordingly. You can also go around and work around with the quality right here, so you can optimize for speed or quality according to how you want. So if you were to go for quality, then it goes around and renders out the graphics with much more quality right here. But with speed, you can see that it's almost instantaneous right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. And apart from that, you can also go ahead and add in zigzag effect. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto effects, then go to 3D effects right here, and then go around and add in zigzag. And over here, as I add in zigzag, you can see that this is what I have. So I can go around and then, let's say for example, select bond. Let's say for example right here, you can go for out from center, or you can go for a bond effect right here. You can also go around center right here, and then you can optimize it for speed and quality as well. You can change around the waves, as you can see right here. You can go around and then decrease and increase out the waves right here, and then you can go ahead and change around the strength right here, just like this, according to how you want as well, and change around the dampening effect as you want as well. And that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the spear and zigzag effect and apply them onto graphics inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.